Something big just happened with Seedance 2, because right now Hollywood and other big-budget film industries are trying to ban it. Today we are going to talk about that. Also, we are going to look at some more wild use cases of Seedance 2.0, which users are just finding out about right now. First, let's talk about Hollywood trying to ban Seedance. Let's look at this statement by SAG-AFTRA. If you don't know what SAG-AFTRA is, they are basically the world's largest labor union representing performers and broadcasters, and they have made a public statement on Seedance 2.0. In this statement, they specifically said, SAG-AFTRA stands with the studios in condemning the blatant infringement enabled by ByteDance's new AI video model, Seedance 2.0. The infringement includes the unauthorized use of our members' voices and likeness. This is unacceptable and undercuts the ability of human talent to earn a livelihood. Seedance 2 disregards law, ethical industry standards, and basic principles of consent. Responsible AI development demands responsibility, and that is non-existent here. This is a very strong statement, and this specific union carries a lot of weight and has a lot of lobbying power in the government. They might try to ban Seedance altogether in the United States. Also, Disney has sent a cease and desist letter to ByteDance, accusing the company of making available a pirated library of Disney characters from Star Wars, Marvel, and other Disney franchises, treating Disney's coveted intellectual property as if it were free public domain clip art. As you can see, Disney is even trying to put a stop to Seedance 2.0. The AI revolution is growing at such a massive pace that big-budget films are already trying to ban Seedance 2.0 from coming out of China. The main thing here is that this Seedance 2.0 model is not even available in the USA yet. They have not released an API or given global access. It is still in early access. Even then, Hollywood and these big-budget studios are so scared that they are already trying to suppress Seedance 2.0. It is not just Disney and that labor group. Every big studio is going after Seedance 2.0. This is mainly because of the viral video of Tom Cruise fighting Brad Pitt, which got over 10 million views on Twitter and other social media platforms. People were saying that they could not even tell the difference between whether this was AI generated or not, which was pretty true. The thing here is that the cost to create that video was less than $1. Traditional film studios are at a massive risk of getting completely destroyed by AI. This is only Seedance 2.0. The AI is the worst it will ever be right now. This is just the start of 2026, and by the end of the year, we are going to see even better AI video models. Why is Hollywood doing this? Another thing is that since this model is in China, companies have less bargaining power. They have lower, almost non-existent IP laws there. So we are still going to see many copyrighted videos of Spider-Man and other characters coming out of China. But the problem is that these companies have a lot of power in the USA, so they might completely restrict Seedance 2 from coming to the United States and other parts of the world. One might ask why Hollywood is trying to ban this AI. I understand people might say they are infringing on copyrights, but if they are successful in censoring Seedance 2 to not generate copyrighted content, right after that lawsuit, they are going to sue Seedance 2.0 and other AI model creators in the United States for training the models using their data. In this way, they are going to try to ban the creation of video models altogether. They are also going to raise many other controversial points as to why people should stop the development of AI video models. This is because these AI models, even without copyright infringement, are a huge threat to big-budget industries as they completely destroy their monopoly on creating movies. Now, anyone with just a little bit of money is able to create Hollywood-level movies within a few days. This makes the cost of creation go down significantly, specifically for movies. People are going to spend a lot less time watching Hollywood and big-budget films, and instead watch indie films created using AI that are going to be much better. To be honest, Hollywood films right now are pretty bad. Also, the people that hated AI are becoming pro-AI because of Seedance's ability to create really good memes. This is one of the examples, and this meme has already gone viral over on Twitter, now X, and has gotten over 11.5 million views. Just watch it.
We need to build more data centers. AI needs it.
To cure cancer, right? We're curing cancer. Right?
As you can see, that meme was really good. The delivery of the lines was very professional. I also really liked the mouth expressions of the character. Most of the time, I could not even tell that this was an AI-generated meme. You can see right here that this model completely revolutionizes how memes are created. Instead of just a static picture, they are now going to be short-form videos, which people are going to be able to share. This is much more immersive than previous static images. Now, let's look at some of the insane new use cases of Seedance 2.0 right here. I have already made 2 videos showcasing the use cases, but there are a lot more I did not cover. So let's look at this new use case that people are just finding out about. Using the video-to-video feature, which is still in early access in Seedance 2, you can basically turn any type of video or art style into a realistic version. In this example, we specifically look at Attack on Titan turned into a realistic version. Live-action movies just became a lot easier. The model is specifically better in this case because all the movements are predetermined from the anime. They are just going to be the exact copy of the anime, which is going to make the live action look a lot better. As you can see, it is almost the exact copy, which makes it much better. The thing here is that these video-to-video features are also going to improve a lot as time goes on. So in a year or 2, we will be able to create live-action versions of our favorite films or animes really easily using Seedance 2.0. Another really cool video that I found that was created using Seedance 2.0 is this. Just watch it. You will realize why this video is so cool. This video was really mind-blowing. I literally could not even process it. Here is another example of the video-to-video feature of Seedance 2.0. This video has gotten over 6 million views. That is mainly because the AI model was able to recreate a really expensive video shot of a racing car company, which costs like $100,000 to make for like 9 cents, which makes it really cool. Also, the driver was transformed into a cat, which was a really cool thing to add. Another news story about Hollywood trying to ban Seedance 2.0 just came out as I am recording this video. In this news, Hollywood is now hiring AI bounty hunters to enlist internet users to hunt down AI models, generating content that could have been trained on copyrighted material. Any video which might have even a hint of AI copyright is going to be targeted. They are hiring these bounty hunters who are going to hunt down and copyright strike any video which has any type of hint of copyrighted content. You can clearly see how scared Hollywood is about the rise of AI. Everyday people were thinking that AI is just a hype trend and it is going to pop any moment now. But as you can see, Hollywood is so scared that it is literally hiring bounty hunters to copyright strike any AI-generated video that they can find on the internet. This is just completely insane to think about. The new timeline here, the next 2 to 3 months, is going to be really insane for the AI industry. That's about it for the video. Please subscribe to stay at the front row seat of the AI revolution.